All right, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video, man. So today we're gonna be doing a little valve cover match on a Cholita. I already painted the valve covers. I already color matched them. I did this on my separate time on a different day. I randomly just got my some old valve covers I had that came off the steps. When I did the Holly valve covers on it, I used the valve covers that came off of this one. Got it painted right here. Sheesh! I'll take them out to the sunlight so you guys can see they're actually color matched to the truck. Yes, sir. Clean, huh? Straight painted it myself. Not too bad, not too bad. But yeah, as you guys can tell, it matches the color. Sheesh. So yeah, got my son with me. Say what's up, buddy. But yeah, it's our setup right now. We got our valve covers, color match valve covers. We got our Molly gaskets. You either want to go AC Delco or Molly only for gaskets or anything GM. We got our tools here. We got a drill. You know what I'm saying? You got the cutters there. Brush to wipe off all the residue oil, and then we got my son's drill. Either we ready to work, huh, buddy? We're ready to work, huh? Yeah? But yeah, that's what we got going on today, though. And also, today we are going to be doing a diff service on the Cholita. That's why I got this pan right here. I don't have nothing to drain all over besides this shit, but fuck it. But yeah, I got it on jack stands already. You feel me? It's been leaking right there. Yeah, so the diff's been leaking fluid. So that's the reason why I'm gonna do the diff service, is because it's been leaking fluid already, and you don't want to have no diff leak and not know if there's any fluid in there, and then your shit seizes up and goodbye rear end, goodbye transmission. You don't want to do that. You don't want to risk that. So if you see your differential's leaking, do a service on it. You can literally do this at home. It's nothing special to do. I'll show you guys how to do it right now. It's super simple. All you need is jack stands, and some basic tools, and then that's it. I'm about to let all the fluid drain on the diff first, and then we'll go from there. While it's draining, I'll start the valve cover. But yeah, that's what we got going on today. Thank you guys for tuning in, though. So in case you don't know how to get your color match code, what you do is you go into the glove box. I'll try to show you guys real quick. But you go into your glove box, and it'll have coding right there. So all you got to do is get into your glove box, get that coding that's in there, find out which one is for your paint code. And yeah, man. Don't mind my hair. This shit crazy. I need to get a haircut ASAP. For some reason the video was blurred. But yeah, if you guys aren't aware, this is my truck brand. Don't go follow Trucking and Mobbing on Instagram. I do got a new design coming. Do got merch coming in that design, decals, everything, slaps, all that good stuff, man. I got, I'm gonna build my brand. So if you aren't already, go give it a follow. Trucking and Mobbing on Instagram here. All right, so I figured I'd show you guys a video while I'm under here, but you guys can see it's all wet right there. That's where it's dripping from. So we're about to get a cover gasket for it, some silicone, and call it good. I heard putting silicone on it isn't good, and that's probably the reason why it's leaking right now, is because it has silicone on it. So we're gonna put a cover gasket and it should be good. All right, so I got all of them loose. It is 13, so you guys are aware, 13. So what I'm gonna do is just try to stick a flathead through here and try to open it up and let the fluid drain. All right, so I got it now, as you guys could tell. All I did was just take some of the silicone on and just try to prior it. Bam. That's it. That shit dark and nasty. I'm glad I'm changing it. But yes, sir, I'm gonna let it drain out at this point. All right. Perfect. So that's what it looks like right now. Ugly ass and dirty ass covers and shit. All full of oil. Look at that. The blue cover's gonna look real good with the wires and everything. With the Granatelli wire you heard. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. All right, so real simple. Just begin by disconnecting the wires from the coil. Damn. That bitch was on there. Next step, you wanna remove this one with a flathead. Next thing you wanna do is disconnect the connector from the coils, and then that way you can start taking off these bolts here, so you can take off the coil bracket from the actual valve cover, and then you'll expose the bolts to the valve cover that you can take it off. So always loosen them by hand, and then after loosening them by hand, you can hit them with a good old drill, you hear me? And just like that, the coil bracket comes out. So you just gotta take those bolts off. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. Put that to the side so you can clean it. And then at this point, all you got is size 8mm bolts. You got 1, 2, 3, and 4 back there. I do want to emphasize, you do want to loosen every single bolt by hand, and then apply the tool to it. You don't want to just loosen with the tool, because you could it could be in there for a while and it could break with the tool. The tool's very strong. So I got all the bolts out. At this point, I kind of removed the valve cover, I'm not gonna lie, but at this point, all you could do is pull the valve cover out. It's obviously better when you do it with 2 hands. Oh yeah, don't forget, disconnect that PCV plug back there. Disconnect that PCV, just take off the hose up. And there it is. Disconnected the PCV valve there. Look at how dirty this thing was, bruh. Sheesh. Come on. Let's do a quick comparison. Sheesh. It's gonna go from that to that. Boy. Yes, sir. You see all that's left though? That's why I recommend you that metal brush so you can clean off all that residue that's left on there and all that stuff. But shit not bad though. Let's get it cleaned up. Clean your coil pack or coils however you want. This is how I clean it with the pressure washer and just let it dry out. But you guys can tell though, look how dirty them things are. Just wait till I'm done. Now we just let it dry out. So while that is drying out, what you want to do is grab your bolts you're going to reuse, take off the gaskets off of them, clean off the top of the head so you can put it on clean on this one. Show you guys how to do that right now. So these pop off just like that. Just push them through, pull them, push them, whatever you want to do. Bam. So we got all 4 right there. Put that to the side. All right. So now that you got these, I'll try to do with 1 hand, but now that you got these, all you gotta do is just cut them. Just like that, cut it. Once you create a split, it'll split. And voila, it's off. Ready for a new gasket, ready to be cleaned. The new gaskets are right there. In case you wonder how to put the new ones on, nothing hard, nothing, you know, you don't gotta do nothing out of the ordinary. Just stuff that motherfucker in there. You feel me? Here you go. See? Stuff it in there. So this is why it's important to brush off. You guys could tell. That's all clean. Right there, clean metal. And then that's all dirty. Look how much gunk is built up on it. I can't get it. There you go. You want it to look like that. Clean. Clean surface. Alright, so I'm all done. Putting the new gaskets in on the bolts. The new gaskets in there, as you guys can tell. But yeah, I just want to show you guys again the old one. I mean the new one compared to the old one. Sheesh. Look at that. In the sun, boy, let's slap this bitch on. Look at that. Clean. I just tapped it. Fuck. Let's slap it on though. So there they are. Make sure you tighten them by hand with a wrench first. Size 8 for the little bolts. 2 pounds of finger pressure. What I mean by that is whatever these 2 fingers can tighten up like that. If you 2 fingers can't do no more, don't go no more than that. You're gonna break them. Yes sir, that side is on. Gonna put the bracket on and start the other side. But yeah, I'm all done with this one side. I'm about to run to the store to go grab the diff fluid and then the diff gasket as well. So I'm about to run to the store, go grab that, and then I'll come and finish the other side. But I got one side done. It didn't look too bad. I like how it looks. I mean, it's better than the stock one. It's better than that leaky, nasty, all oily cover. All right, I figured to give you guys a little cold start. Step side, you feel me? Let's get that cold start. Ain't nothing to him. Yes, sir. La step side, la feisty thing. Don't mind my water bottle mess. Get these windows open, you heard? Because drift truck, no AC. But that one got blowing AC though. Let's go get them fluids. Clean ass truck. Shout out Pri. He said my shit was clean. That shit clean as fuck too though. But yeah, I got the gasket and I got the fluid. Show y'all what fluid y'all need for true track posi. Yeah, we on our way home. 5-speed mobbing. Anyways, I got the fluid though. I got the diff gasket right there for a 10 bolt. In case you guys want the part number, you dig? But if you're running true track posi, you never want to go with no synthetic fluid. You don't want to go with that. You want to go with 80W9 gear oil. That's it. GL5. Nothing else. 3 quarts should be alright. But yeah, I'm about to just finish up the other side of the valve cover. I won't show you guys too much of the process because it's the same thing as the other side. So that's what it looks like now. And this is what it looks like when it's done. Boom, all done. Sheesh. Looking clean, you feel me? But yeah, this side's all done. You can see it right there. I just gotta connect the coil back right there, the connector, and then put these wires to these little holders. And that's all done. Pretty much it though. There it is. There it is. Sheesh. Try to pull it out into the sunlight so you guys can see it. I just gotta finish off the diff service, but there they are. Bam, so I got the cover off. Pans right there. So all you gotta do is once you get the all the bolts off, just put a flathead through, cap off. Once you get the cap off, then that's it. And you just gotta clean up with a razor all around the edges, get off the old silicone off, and clean off that as well, all the gasket residue right there. All right, so to clean off the diff, I'm gonna use this right here, this bad boy right here, works magic. But just like that, just like get all that gasket residue, all that silicone off. It's getting late on me, but I figured I'd show you guys where I'm at. Figured since I already got it out, you know me, I can't leave anything plain. I figured I might as well just get a little coat on them. This is just some primer though, nothing major. Here's the cap right here. Primered as well, nothing major. Oh, I forgot a little something right there, but we're gonna spray it right now. But anyway, so that's it though. It's clean, both sides. Feel me? So yes sir, we're about to slap it on right now. So when putting on the cover, if you don't put no like silicone on the gasket, it's literally just gonna fall off as you're going to go put it on. So my recommendation is put just some dabs on it, just so when you flip it over, it holds in place and it doesn't move when you're trying to put it back on the truck and put it on the back on the diff and stuff. I'll show you guys right now. It's a little hard to do with one hand, but you guys get the point. But yeah, just do that across, you know, just do it a couple points just so it holds it in place. So this is what it'll look like once you put the silicone. Look, see, gasket ain't going nowhere. And I didn't even put that much to the point where it's like spilling out or nothing. Just little dabs in there, little dabs, that's it. All right, bam, there it is. It's kind of hard to record with one hand and then work with the other one. So it was, you know, it was really hard to show you guys how I did it. But yeah, just put the cover on there. Use one bolt to line yourself up. The gasket shouldn't move much. If it does, just lighten it back up. Put one bolt, put another bolt across the other side, and then boom, you could put all your other bolts without worrying it falling on you. But it's all done there. It looks way better than before. It's all tightened up. Don't tighten it too hard. You should be able to tell when you should stop. It gets very hard, so once it stops and gets hard, that's it. Don't go anymore. But yeah, I'm about to put the fluid in. I'll show you guys where the bolt is to put the fluid in. It's over here on this side. It's right behind there. I'm gonna get you close. Damn, that's it right there. All you gotta do is put a ratchet to it, and that's pretty much it. You don't gotta put nothing else. So just put the ratchet to it and loosen it, and you should be good. Put fluid in it until it starts spilling out. Once the fluid spills out, that means it's good. So there it is, y'all. The fill plug already out. You guys can tell it's dripping now. That means it's full. You don't want to put no more in there because it's just gonna keep dripping it out. You don't want to make a mess. But yeah, once it starts dripping out on its own, that means it's full. Took about almost 2.5 bottles. Yep, that's all that's left from the third one. So about 2.5 bottles. Yes, sir. We go plug it back in and then call it good. So I figured I'd get you guys a little cold start of the Cholita. And we're gonna spin the tires, see, make sure there's no leaks, make sure it sounds good, make sure it's not misfiring after washing the coil packs and all that good stuff. Y'all ready? Go start. Misfired, nothing, is running good. I tried to pull it out so I can show you guys what the valve covers look like in the sunlight, but not much sun hitting it and I'm blocking it now, but there they are. They look good though. They look good. Not much sun on this side, but yeah. Let me know what you guys thought though. They look good. Sheesh. So there it is, y'all. It's all done. Color match valve covers on both sides. Diff service is done as well. Bam, the covers right there looking nice. But yeah, let me know what you guys thought, man. Let me know what you guys thought of the little upgrades. You know, nothing major, just something better than what it was. Let me know if the diff service helped you guys out. Let me know if that, you know, taught you guys a little something or not. But yeah, that's it though. It's all done. All right, so I checked the diff. It's not leaking, nor from the fill plug or the actual cover itself. So it's good, no leaks there. So I should be good to go with that. No misfires with the truck after connecting the coil packs, after getting them wet and all that stuff. So it's good there. So that's pretty much it, man. That's gonna be the end of this video though. Let me know if you guys like this video. Let me know what you guys thought of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell notification to get reminded every time I upload. And then yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys want to see next on the videos. Hopefully we'll have a little something coming for the step side soon, hopefully. But yeah, that is gonna be this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.